Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the straps at the CMF Watch Pro 2. Okay, all you need to do is to turn it to the other side, and then you will see at the end of the straps little metal things. So I don't know the word in English, let's call it Schnapper here in that video. Okay, so now we need to take the Schnapper to the inside with our fingernail. That's pretty easy, and then you remove just the other side. No? Same thing here, so just pull it in, the Schnapper, and then you can easily remove it. Okay, now take your new straps. Okay, I have just my one strap here. And put now the opposite of the Schnapper first into the watch. That hole here, huh? Oh, okay. Now pull the Schnapper inside again, of course, and then you can easily fix it and shake a bit and until it's well inserted. And now you hear the little click noise, it's inserted. No? Just test it a bit and perfect. Okay, now take the other one and the opposite part first. That's pretty tiny, everything. Just keep calm. And then the same thing here also with the Schnapper. Put it to the inside and then look for it, the hole, and then, test it. Well done. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or leave me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And maybe until next time. Ciao.